Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this is just kind of a ribbon haul from Hobby Lobby. I found some really cute ribbon and I just thought I'd share what I found because you guys might like to get some too, and it is on sale for 50% off when I purchased it. But if it's not on sale right now, wait until next week or the week after that. I think they're on a 3-week rotation, so it will go on sale again, but I didn't even know they had some of this. So let me open it and show you what some of it looks like. Now I got like duplicates, just different colors in some of them, so I won't open all of them, but I really may as well because I want to be able to use it. So this one is, what do they call this? It's sheer, I think that's what they call it, or organza, and it's just really thin. Let me put a white. And it's like a mint color. I thought that was really pretty. And it says that it is 1/8 of an inch and it has 24 feet. So it's not a ton of yardage, but it was $1. So, you know, I think it's pretty good for the price. I am happy with it. And I also got this mint green, and it is not organza, but it is really thin too. And the reason that I like this is because my friend Lisa had some really cute bows and they were tied with this little thin ribbon, and I thought, oh my gosh, that's so cute. I hadn't really seen it like that before, but here it is. She may have gotten it at Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. But so thin and so cute. It makes a really cute little bow. So for cards or for MD cards or whatever, I thought that would be really cute. Maybe you guys can see it if I just leave it here. And then I can maybe hold it up and then I can like layer them all down so you can see. Maybe that's what I'll do. I don't know. That's not working. I'll just show you like I was showing you. I don't want to make a big huge mess of him. There is a little secret that I do. It's not really a secret, more like a tip. If you take your yarn or your ribbon and pull it through where you pulled it out, then it kind of stays. Most of the time it will stay. So it's kind of nice, a neat little tip. So I'm holding it when I'm taking my last round, and then I just pull it through. And it's really easy to get it out as well. So it's a neat little trick. And then I got some yellow. I really liked this. It's like a buttercream or a butter yellow. And so this is that one. And it's a little thicker, but it's satin ribbon, like the second mint one that I showed you. It's very pretty. And again, these are still $1. I'll try to show you all the dollar ones first. They might all have been $1 except for one, I'm not sure. I didn't even pay much attention because I was so excited. So this is the organza again, and it's just a nice lavender. This one is an organza, and it was also $1, but it is lavender and blue. It reminds me of a mermaid or a unicorn. It's really pretty. And I have always loved purple and blue together. And this ribbon is no exception. Goodness gracious, I don't know why it's so hard to open. Hopefully you can see the beautiful color in there, how it's blue and purple. So cool. I think it's really pretty. This one is not my favorite one that I got today. I will show you my favorite one last, but I do love it. Okay, I'm not going to fool with it right now. I'm just going to put it over here. Goodness. And then I got a white small satin and a pink small satin, a black, and a pretty purple. It's like a royal purple. And then I got a red organza, and I got another pink that's a brighter pink, but it's still the small satin. And then I got these cute flowers, butterflies. I'm like, what are these called? I thought that was really cute. I think I can just show you that on the roll. Same with this one, and let me check to see the price on that. Yep, that was $1 when it was half off. This one is also $1 half off, and it is gray, and it has little silver dots. I thought that was really pretty. Then I got this lace one, which I thought was really nice. I think I had this once before and I used it. So this one was $1.50. But look how pretty that is. And I'll put it on here, but it is maybe harder to see. Let me get a different color. Here's a mint. I'll show you the lace on the mint. Isn't that pretty? So I'm thinking cards and MD cards, just crafting. And last but not least is this. So I thought this was really pretty, and I realized that I use a lot more purple than I knew that I did, and so I thought this was just gorgeous, and I think it would be pretty on the green or on the white. And it is so soft to touch. It feels just really nice, and I thought that it was just beautiful. And I could see it just underneath an image and having like a stamp image above it or something like that. I think that would just make the card. It would be simple and just beautiful. And so this is, you get 3 yards of this, so 9 feet. And it is really pretty. Now it is one-sided. You wouldn't really want to use the other side. You just want to stick with that side. But it is so pretty. I'm really liking that. You could even do that with a mint bow or something like that if you wanted to. The possibilities are endless. So that is what I got at Hobby Lobby, and I wanted to share with you guys so you guys could see what's available. I hadn't seen all of this ribbon. It's been a little while since I've looked in the ribbon section, to be honest. But and I have a boatload of ribbon still, but I would totally recommend their ribbon. I think it's good stuff, and I think they have just beautiful ribbon. But wait for it to go on sale, because 50% off is a deal that you can wait for, unless you absolutely need it. I mean, the prices aren't so bad anyway, but this, for example, was $8, so it was $4 on sale. And oh, I just think it's gorgeous. So I'm excited to use that. I might even leave it out so I could use it next. So that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye-bye.